Hi guys, my name is Olivia and I am the Makeup Forever makeup artist, and I'm here with Manggis from Malaysia. Yeah. Thanks so much for being here. We will be looking at an amazing palette I've designed it just for you. It's customizable in stores and online. So we'll be touching on your eyes, your eyebrows, lips, cheeks, basically everything.
Oh my god, that's cool.
And I will be taking you guys through a really quick and simple tutorial on how to use this product. Today we're going to be using more of these kind of peachy tones for you. I think it would be really suited towards you.
Yes!
Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use Step 1 Eye and Lip Primer. I'm going to prime your eyes. It's just going to help the eyeshadow stay on longer, 24-hour wear, which is really good. I'm just going to pop a little bit on my head and I'm going to get a brush. You can use your fingers as well if you want to. It's really easy. So as you can see, it's just a transparent color, and I like to bring it right up to the brow. So we're just gonna let that kind of set for a little bit, and then we'll get into some eyeshadow. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna grab my blending brush, and I'm gonna grab this beautiful peachy color, and I'm just gonna run it through your crease, just really, really softly, just to kind of add a little bit of color. And with the Step 1 eye primer and lip primer underneath, it's just so easy to use. A lot of people are quite scared of a smoky eye. They associate it with blacks and browns. I mean, it can be a little bit scary, but I'm going to show you like a really easy way to do it. I do this all the time on my clients and customers, and it's just 3 easy steps. So what I do is I just pop the color all over the lid, and that's that beautiful peach color. I love that. And then I'm going to go on with the dark color, and I'm just going to put this across your lower lash and then blend it out a little bit.
You know what I'm scared about doing smoky eyes is because I don't really know how to control the intensity of it. And the blending, if you're using a really dark color, and I actually use like really few powder colors. Well, I mean, you can use all the colors for your eyes, but I'm only using 2. And then I like to go in with like a little bit of a crayon liner to make it a little bit more smoky. That's where the smokiness comes from. It's like the darker color along the lash line and the crayon liner. So I'm just dragging that brown underneath the eye as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly line the top part of your eye along your lash line, blend that out, and then I think I'm going to go over a little bit more with that dark color that we used. Let's put some mascara on. And this is the Excessive Lash. I love this mascara. It's really defined. Yeah, you were telling me. Yes. I love this one.
I know, it is.
This is the best.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't crumple.
No, and so it like really pushes the product through, very like combing. Yeah. And the lower lashes, just a little bit. I'm just going to be taking my angled brush. So I'm going to be filling in your eyebrows with this shade here. It's the dark shade that we use on your eyes. And I'm just going to lightly buff it through the eyebrows. Nothing too crazy. You've got such a beautiful shape. Like, I don't want to, you know, do too much. Other side. I like to just kind of brush it through with the powder to make it even more natural. We're going to move on to the cheeks, and I'm going to be using these 2 colors here. So I'm going to take my double-ended brush. This is so good because you can powder with this and sculpt with this. I travel all the time with this brush. It's so nice. So I'm just going to grab that peachy color on the apples of the cheeks and just bring it up. I'm going to get a little bit of that other color and kind of focus it more on the apples. Just really get it through. I sometimes like to really just kind of go over the nose a little bit just to kind of tie everything in, just to give a bit of a glow. I kind of just travel with the brush all over the face. And now we're going to use for highlight. So I'm going to use these 2 colors. These are both like really shimmery metallic colors. I'm going to use the same brush as well, and I'm going to go in and just use both of them, tapping off a little bit of the excess. And I'm going to push it into the skin right at the top here. And I just like to go a little bit above the eyebrows as well.
I always do under eyebrow.
Yeah. So I kind of, because we're going for like a really natural kind of glowy look, I'm gonna really join that with a smaller brush, join that highlight in. What else I'm going to do is I'm going to focus some highlight underneath the eyebrow and in the inner corner. And highlight is the best thing. I love it so much. Okay, have a little look at that. You're very glowy now.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to move on to contouring, and I'm going to use the brown, a very, very little bit of the brown that we used for your eyes and your eyebrows. So again, using the same brush. I always use the same brush. There's no need to really change unless there's a big difference within the colors and stuff like that. But other than that, I just use the same. I'm just going to do the tiniest little smidge and just focus. And then blending it out. Do you contour or like bronze or?
I contour.
Yeah. Do you?
I don't really use bronzer.
No.
No.
So it's more about like the sculpting.
Yeah.
And cool. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Yeah, it's really soft. You're so glowy. Like it looks so nice. Well, the final thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do your lips. And I'm going to use a little bit of this color as a tint. Have you ever used a powder as...
I haven't.
No? Okay, cool.
This is new for me.
Yeah. So I'm going to use a tiny little bit of our new Hydrabloom lip balm. Okay. And I'm going to kind of tap a little bit of this so it's like a really just bitten kind of look. This is really nice because it adapts to your natural skin tone and it just really makes it a little bit more brighter. Obviously hydration as well. And it's a very natural look. So you can wear it by itself. Like it's just a really beautiful balmy color that gives a beautiful glow. And then we're gonna get a little bit of that kind of, I would say, beetroot color. And it's a matte color as well. Tap it off. And a little bit of a juicier lip look. Have a look at that.
It's like so new.
Yeah, you can use any eyeshadow color from the Artist Color Shadow range with using your lips. Like something like that beautiful peachy color would be really pretty as well. But I like the beetroot color because it's like a really a balmy look, a very natural look. To finish everything off, I'm going to use some Mist and Fix just to really set everything in place and give you a beautiful glow as well. Just a few little pumps and really just let that set in. It's so refreshing. Okay. I actually put mine in the fridge to make it a bit cooler because it's so hot where I'm from. Yeah, so I was like, if I'm doing my makeup and then I finish and I pop it, you should do it as well.
Yeah, that's a good tip. I have to do it.
Yeah, because it's so hot and it's so refreshing when you put it over. So we have used the Artist Color Shadows. I really hope that you love your look. Thank you so much for coming. You look so beautiful and it was so nice meeting you.
Yes, it was fun.
Again, thank you all for watching as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!